To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 4 screws securing the housing. Remove the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Because the placement of the screws are difficult to reach, we recommend using an extender tool. Lift the housing. Remove the old filter and clean out the debris in the housing. Install your new AF3138 filter into the housing. It can only be installed with the housing in one orientation. Reinstall the housing. Reinstall the screws. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.